Today I'm on the 1977 Allis Chalmers 5020, and this is a 2-cylinder diesel. We usually call it Little Allis. And on the back I have a garden tiller, or 5-foot tiller is my dad's, which is probably 15 years old. So I just wanted to show how this, we just finished digging our potatoes, and I'll put the link to that video in. But what I'm going to do is go through it and till this up where the potatoes at, and we'll probably put turnips and mustard in here for fall. It also helps things decompose that are in their rotten potatoes and any weeds that are left. So I'm going to show you how this works. This doesn't have a diesel particulate filter, which is good.
Choo-choo!
So although the Kubota's nice, the new tractors are nice, I just wanted to show that, you know, a 43-year-old tractor and a 15-year-old, or whatever it is, tiller on the back of your 3-point hitch you can do a lot of work with them, right? So you don't have to have the biggest tractor in the world, you don't have to have the most powerful, you just need a tool that'll do the job that you need done. So we typically try to leave this tractor set up with a tiller. I've used it to blade the driveway a little bit, but with turf, it's just got turf tires on it. It had on it, and I bought it from a one owner. This old fella had it, and he had a belly mower. I took that off. you know, just a good little tractor. It's handy for garden stuff. So I'll get this finished tilling this up, and I'll show you guys what it looks like.